A seller breached a contract for the sale of raisins, and the buyer decided not to cover. The subsequent lawsuit, Allied Canners and Packers versus Victor Packing Company, featured a disagreement about what the buyer should recover under the Governing Uniform Commercial Code, or UCC. Victor Packing Company contracted to sell raisins to Allied Canners and Packers. Allied contracted to resell the raisins to two Japanese buyers, expecting to profit by about $4,500. Unfortunately, heavy rainfall spoiled the raisin crop that was drying on the ground, and Victor was unable to obtain or deliver the contracted 4 raisins to Allied. Allied ultimately decided not to cover by purchasing substitute raisins on the open market, where the price of the dried fruit had tripled. Consequently, Allied was unable to deliver any raisins to the Japanese buyers. However, one of the buyers agreed to cancel its contract with Allied, and the other one declined to pursue Allied for the missing raisins. Allied sued Victor in California state court for about $150,000, the difference between the market price of substitute raisins and the contract price. The trial court awarded actual losses of about $4,500 in resale profits instead, and Allied appealed to the California Court of Appeal.